Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to run a program and code inside VS Code using an extension called as Code Runner. So if your terminal is also not showing, if you have some problems in VS Code, I will show you the potential fixes. So first of all, you need to install an extension which is called as Code Runner. Simply go to Extensions tab and simply type this extension. So it's having almost 39 million downloads. So just click the install button and install this extension. So after you install the extension, you can run programs in any files. So after you install this, go to File Preferences Settings and just type here Code Runner, and right here you just need to tick mark this setting, Code Runner clear previous output, this setting. So these will be Code Runner run in terminal. Just tick mark this option. By default it will be ticked. So once you open any Python file here, this will add this setting which is run code for every file, every programming language. So once you click the run code button, it will directly run the file directly inside the terminal. So as you can see, it run this Python program. Same goes with any JavaScript file as well. So as soon it works with each and every language which can be executed locally. So again, you see this run code button. So it directly types out hi. It can run C++, Java, Node.js programs, each and every. So it's a very useful extension code runner. So if your terminal is not showing automatically, if it creating some kind of problem, then also you can go to command palette and simply type terminal, select default profile. So once you select this option, just make sure it's selected to command prompt. Also, you can go to settings right here and simply type here terminal default profile. Just make sure this terminal integrated default profile is selected to command prompt. So just make sure that it's selected to command prompt, then that terminal will definitely show as soon as you click the run code button every time. So as soon as you click the run code button, so you will be able to run your code directly inside VS Code on the terminal. So this is the extension.